Reviver. So guess what came in the mail? I'm so freaking excited. My moisture meter soil tester from Amazon. Y'all know I'm a plant mom, and this is one of my new babies that I got for $9, $9.99 before taxes. So basically less than 11 bucks. Guys, this has been giving me a little bit of problems, and as I told y'all in the live the other day, this one is seeming to want to turn yellow on me. I don't know. I did not do any watering since I got it, because when I looked it up, it said these plants like to be kind of dry. So we did water it, and all of a sudden, well, before we watered it, it was one leaf that turned yellow. I'm opening this up. This is the moisture meter I got from Amazon. If you are interested, I will leave the link below. And I did read our reviews. It says, do not try to test this in water. You will damage it. Because some people try to be smart and say, oh, I'm going to put it in water and see if it could tell it's in water. No, don't do that. So it says right here, how to use. Insert the probe of the meter to the root level. Adjust the position of the probe until the pointer on the dial swings slightly. Read moisture pH level in the dial after the reading stabilizes. Remove probe from soil. Wipe clean after each use. Tips and advice. Avoid stones when inserting the probe into the soil. Not designed for testing water, and conductivity of pure water is very low. It may cause permanent damage to the sensor if the probe is submerged into liquid. Don't use it to test rigid ground or floor. And it has a 12-year warranty. So let's see what this tells me once I put it in. So this is what it's looking like. It's on dry. And I am going to stick her in here really deep and see. Oh, wow. And it says once it's, oh wow. Okay, so I think we need to water this baby. Look what it says, guys. Let me show you if I can zoom in. It shows dry, like it has stabilized, and it, oh, I'm trying to get zoomed in. It shows dry. So that's probably why she is losing leaves. She is very dry. Now I'm going to test it on another plant that I have in the house that I know shouldn't be too dry. And we're going to go from there. So let's go try that out. Okay, kind of confused because I moved the probe in another area of the plant, just a little bit away from where it was. And now it's saying moist. Like, this is not cool. So let's take it out and watch this. That spot says wet. Oh gosh, this is not cool. I was too excited. Let me wipe it off before I stick it somewhere else. And I feel like I'm breaking roots. I hate that. It's saying wet. Let me stick it somewhere else. Let me wipe this off. I'm trying to get it close to, trying to wiggle around and get it close to. See, now this, so maybe the plant is not getting water all the way around. I don't know. What do y'all think? Have you used one of these? Because I'm kind of confused. Let me put it out here and see. See, it's dry when I go out from the pot. But let me get closer to the roots again and stick it way down. And it's so going to dry a little bit. But then on this side, it's saying wet. So I think that what it is, let me see if where this plant is coming from, because this is one that got yellow, and I'm going to go down into the root of that to see if it's like dry over there. Well, this one is, let me get it where y'all can see it. It's saying wet. Let's go right here. I don't know. I don't know, guys. What do y'all suggest? What do y'all think? Now, what I'm going to do is take this out, wipe it off, and I'm going to grab a plant that I watered yesterday to see, which is a little plant, because I know this is wet. This little boy here is wet, and I did just water this yesterday, so I'm going to stick this in here and see. Yeah, this is wet, wet. So the only conclusion I can come up with is this is not watered completely all the way around. So when I do water this, I'm gonna have to submerge it in water and let it drain out so that way it can get through the whole plant. I was thinking about bottom watering it, but I don't know. I might lose another leaf, which I'm gonna have to be fine with that, and until I figure out this plant and the best way to take care of it. I really don't want to lose it, but yeah, I don't know. I feel like, yeah, this is definitely wet. This one, see that? You can see this is definitely wet. So, how is this bad boy doing? Let me see. Is this wet? This might be semi. Let's see what this reads for us. This is another plant. Let's just go deep into the middle. See, this is saying dry. And let me see. Yep, it actually is because the wicks are dry. I like this one because it'll tell you when it's dry. So I need to put some water in that one, and see no soil even stuck to this once I took it out. So I know I need to water that one. But this big one, I have no clue. So that is me using the moisture probe. If you're watching this video and you have a moisture probe meter and you got some tips on how I can use it for this big plant, because that's what I got it for, because it's hard to stick your hands in these big plants really deep to fill the roots. It's hard to do that. So that's why a lot of people bottom feed, but I don't really have the capabilities to bottom feed this at this time. So yeah, and I don't want it to keep losing these big pretty leaves. Help me, help me. But that is my Amazon moisture meter, and I will put the link below. And yeah, I'm about to take this. I don't know, should I put more water in it? What do y'all think? Leave comments below. I need y'all help. I need y'all help. I need y'all help. All right, y'all.